my special thanks for all the support you've been giving me for all my projects, whatever venture, whatever I try. I truly understand every film is not, it cannot be 100% success. I completely understand my previous films were not hitting the target right. I was not bullseye, it was not right there. But all our sincere efforts were there. We did a new concept, we did different scripts, different projects. So the sincere attempt never gets less. Everybody wants to give a success. Everybody wants one film to be a huge hit. So the earlier projects also were planned like that. They are inspired by like that. And we all did our best. We all are ready to do our hard work. Arun Varu was saying but what I did with my physique, with my body for each and every film. Who is not doing, sir? All your family people are example, and a lot of heroes in our industry are big example. But what leads us, what gives us the ultimate success is our director's judgment. It's all magic. It's not easy for one person and one team to think what is right, to take the right decision, to think this much is enough. This will be good. This will satisfy the entire crowd, the entire huge crowd which is watching a film in one theater. It's not easy for one person to take that judgment and that right call. And again, to prove a success for a already a hit film. Like Singham has become a big hit film all over India, as everybody knows, everybody's aware. And to call for the second shot, again to say yes, we are again coming up with Singham. We are trying to do something even bigger than Singham. You need guts to say that. And Hari sir's conviction made us all work together. It's just, we all just followed his instructions. He knew the big picture, he knew what is coming, and he knew what is going to be very right. And he's proved the success again. So all credits will go to my director Hari sir. The whole success was in his hands. So thanks a lot for this big support and big success. This is just not another hit for me. I needed this hit and it's come in the right time. So thank you so much for everybody who've been working on this. All my distributors here, theatre owners here. I'm so happy I can see a smile on your face. And again, my sincere thanks for all the support from the media, from the press, for making this happen and reaching out to the people and making them come to the theatre and creating that trust on our product. So it's because of you, Singham Yamru 2 is a big success. I'm very happy. Thank you so much.
రాజశ్రీ తెలుగు నుండి ఈ రిపోర్ట్ అందిస్తున్నది కెమెరా పర్సన్ రాధాకృష్ణతో ధీరజ్. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి మీ రాజశ్రీ తెలుగు.